It says in there that she has a leak behind her washing machine, and so we're gonna see if it's an active leak from the water line or if it is from the drain line. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Peter.
Hi.
I will be your plumber for today. Sounds like you got a leak on your washer.
So when I turn it on, it leaks from this one and then runs down the hose and leaves me a lovely mess.
Okay. Well, what I'm gonna do first, we're gonna get in there and cut into that drywall and see if we need anything. Oh yeah, looks like it's been leaking for a hot second. Look at all that water. It's gonna get noisy. 5 inches to center. Perfect. If I can get this in one try. This is a cooling spray. It's gonna protect it from burning too much. We're heating the pipe up right now so that we can solder just like that. Now we'll test it. Yeah, we'll fill it up, let it drain, and make sure we're all good. I did the best I could with the drywall, putting it back, so.
That's way smaller patch than I was expecting. So.
So do you have any questions for me or anything I can help you out with before we go?
Nope.
Okay.
I think I'm good.
Okay.
Should be for a while.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, it's great meeting you.
Nice to meet you both.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll see ya.